Pet Authority. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Pet Authority, a complete affiliate marketing pack to set yourself up in the multi-billion pet niche, includes 3 custom-built starter websites including dogs, cats, reptiles. Each site can be changed to target additional pet niches and be used over and over again. Ebooks and over 1,000 pet articles also included, as well as training how to rock this niche. Also includes early bird list of products that you can rank on Google page 1 instantly. Early Bird Authority 2019 is my new 2019 series of done-for-you Amazon PLR content, but with a very unique twist in that I am also revealing in every installment the secret to my Amazon success, in that I will actually be providing customers with researched lists of what I call early bird products. These products are either about to be released or just released on Amazon, and these lists will allow any Amazon affiliate to be able to dominate each niche, because hardly anyone knows about these products as yet, and that means ranking them is so easy that literally anyone can do it time and time again. Each pack includes everything they need to dominate the chosen niche, including done-for-you Amazon websites, graphics, articles, plus we provide hands-on training to show them exactly what to do step by step to ensure their success. Each pack provides massive value. In our 3rd installment for 2019, we are hitting the pets and exotic pets niche. Includes 3 custom-built done-for-you sites, cats, dogs, reptiles, amphibians. A pack of alternative header banners so they can make them their own. Early bird lists of newly released and researched products to promote. 1,000 pets, cats, dogs, exotics articles. Multiple ebooks on pet care. Access to our AMZ Facebook Mastermind group. Step-by-step instructions. All that for a crazy low price. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.